How to watch NBA games on ESPN app. First of all, download the ESPN app. Ensure the ESPN app is installed on your device. It's available on most app stores for smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. Then, open the app. Launch the ESPN app on your device. After that, log in. Tap on the ESPN Plus tile at the bottom of the app. Log in using your ESPN Plus account credentials. Note that ESPN Plus does not include live NBA games aired on ESPN or ESPN2 without a cable subscription. Next, access live games. Navigate to the live streaming section. Look for games labeled with ESPN Plus for access without a cable subscription. Games labeled with ESPN or ESPN2 require a cable login. Cable subscription. If the game is broadcast on ESPN or ESPN2, you will need to log in with your cable provider credentials to watch it live. So, this is how to watch NBA games on ESPN app.